Welcome to day 3 of Zen31, Beginner's Breath, Conscious Awareness. Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down, and let's make sure that the back is straight but still relaxed, so your shoulders, your arms, and let's close the eyes. In this video, we are developing conscious awareness of your breath. Breathing is an essential part of our lives, yet we often take it for granted. So in this short session, we'll explore the basics of conscious breathing and its benefits for your physical and mental well-being. Start by taking a deep breath in through your nose and exhaling slowly through your nose. Take another deep breath in. And as you breathe out, begin to scan your body from head to toe. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort and try to release them with every exhalation. This scan will help you become more aware of your body and any physical sensations. Now we'll practice Durga Pranayama, or 3-part breath, to deepen our awareness. This breathing technique helps you breathe more fully and mindfully. On your next inhale, breathe in deeply through your nose, filling your lower abdomen. Feel it expand like a balloon. Imagine the breath reaching all the way down to your belly. And as you continue to inhale, let the breath expand your rib cage, allowing your chest to rise and your torso expand. Good. Now exhale slowly and completely, releasing your air. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lower abdomen. Feel it expand like a balloon, imagining the breath reaching down into your belly. And as you continue to inhale, let the breath expand to your rib cage and all the way up to your chest and your collarbone, feeling your entire torso expanding. Exhale slowly and completely, first releasing the breath from the upper chest and down to your rib cage, and finally your lower abdomen. Visualize the breath leaving your body. Repeat this 3-part breath, or Durga Pranayama, several times, inhaling belly, rib cage, upper chest. Exhaling upper chest, rib cage, belly. As you do this, focus on the physical sensations of the breath moving through your body. Be fully present with each inhale and each exhale. Now, let's shift our attention to mindfulness of the breath. Bring your awareness to your natural breath without trying to change it in any way. This might take a moment to shift since you've been practicing this controlled breathing of Durga Pranayama. So just take a moment to allow the breath to return to its natural state and simply observe the breath as it flows in and out of your body. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your nostrils, and the rise and fall of your chest and belly. You might also become aware of the slight pause between your inhale and your exhale. Stay attentive to these sensations, and if your mind wanders, gently guide it back to the breath. Now, as we come to the end, let's take a moment to appreciate the sense of conscious awareness you've cultivated during this short session. Conscious breathing can be a powerful tool for reducing stress, improving focus, and increasing overall well-being. Remember that developing conscious awareness of your breath is a skill that requires practice. You can incorporate these techniques into your daily routine to enjoy their benefits. Whether it's a 5-minute break during your busy day or a longer meditation session, the practice of mindful breathing can help you navigate life with greater ease. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently open your eyes. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 3.